Squad with bnetTV. We are here at the CCA conference in Las Vegas for 2013. I am speaking with Alianza's Mr. Kevin Mitchell. How are you today, sir?
Very fine, thank you, and yourself?
Very well, my friend. Very, very well. This is a fantastic conference. I love the CCA conference. It's always great to see the Tier 3, and even the MVNO market players all come together and talk about some wonderful technologies. But for all the people out there in bnetTV land, give me a brief overview of Alianza and what you're doing.
Absolutely. So Alianza is a cloud voice platform leader. So we basically have built the voice network and hosted in the cloud for any broadband provider to use to deliver residential or SMB hosted voice over IP offerings to their subscribers. So it's all the technology. We manage it, we host it. We have this logic layer that glues it all together, makes it easy to manage and plug into the existing back office systems of service providers. And they have a low cost of delivery for either greenfield service launches or transitioning their legacy voice services over to a lower cost platform.
So is this a market disruptor for the MVNO market space?
Certainly is a market disruptor overall for voice. We're really looking at transforming the economics of voice over IP. We understand that there's tremendous competitive dynamics and usage change patterns that are creating pressure and uncertainty in the voice market. And we, in light of that, and the fact that there's very high capital expenditures associated with and ongoing OpEx associated with running these voice networks, we think we have the transformative solution for that. MVNOs can certainly take advantage of this for delivering voice over IP, marrying it and extending it to other devices as well, like to tablets and non-telephony supported devices like PCs.
So inevitably, also for the carriers as a whole, for the ecosystem as a whole, if the user wants to not have a voice over IP call, the carrier still can do that.
Yes. Yeah. I mean,
it doesn't inhibit the actual cellular mode of it.
No. This is all delivered over broadband. So WiMAX, LTE, cable, DSL, any kind of fixed or mobile broadband technology.
Is it seamless to the user?
Absolutely. I mean, this is it's seamless to the operator. Even more importantly, really, we're integrating into the way they run their business in terms of how they sign up subscribers, provision subscribers, care for subscribers, deal with billing. We either provide the API logic layer hooks so that plugs into their back office, or we provide the data through data integration feeds that allows them to properly bill and report on their business.
What are some of the challenges that exist in creating critical mass?
Well, it's really, from the operator service provider perspective, it's about creating the right products, voice products at the right price points. Again, because of all that uncertainty around the market dynamics and the fact there's OTT competition and competition from fixed and mobile and cable, and it's really coming to figure out how to create a product that still makes money and has the right price points for the subscribers. And with a low-cost platform, we're able to really help those service providers do that.
Why is it important to be a member here at CCA?
Access to the overall community. We actually just announced that we joined the CCA earlier this week or earlier this month. It's a great community that needs attention from leading technology suppliers, and it's about business development relationships here from other suppliers. It's great access to the Tier 2, Tier 3, the rural, small mobile operator community. And that's exactly really how we've designed our solutions, is to address their pain points and still allow them to have cutting-edge voice services.
And then finally, Kevin, what are we going to see from Alianza here in the next 12 months?
More feature development to do OTT extensions. We're going to keep an eye on mobile VoLTE and when it's going to make sense for the CCA community, for the smaller regional operators of when they want to launch that particular service. We announced the fixed voice over LTE offering just yesterday and held a seminar on that particular topic. So it's about really execution on those plans, broader device ecosystem, because moving into the mobile world, there's a whole bunch of new devices, new vendors that we need to interoperate with. So it's about extending that broader accelerate voice ecosystem that we have.
Kevin, always a pleasure to speak with you. Thanks very much for the update. And it sounds like Alianza is very well positioned in the marketplace to gain critical mass in a critical time.
Yes, thank you for the opportunity to talk. Thanks.
Fantastic. I've been speaking with Alianza's Mr. Kevin Mitchell here at the CCA conference in Las Vegas for 2013. I'm Tony Sklar.